Capture is an easy-to-use Chrome application that allows you to build targeted lead lists for sales, recruiting, and marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a targeted lead list by using Capture with LinkedIn. I'm also going to show you how to instantly enrich each lead in that list with over 75 fields of company and contact level data points. And then we'll go over how to import that lead list into your CRM without creating any duplicates. So, step 1 is to plug in my target search. Let's say I'm a recruiter or even a sales rep and I'm looking for directors of marketing in the greater New York City area. Boom, search created. Step 2. Now I just have to open Capture and click Capture. And boom, all 25 contacts are pulled into my Capture window with just their basic LinkedIn information and their picture. And now, if I want to capture more contacts, I just load the next page of the LinkedIn search and click Capture. And just like that, my list has grown from 25 to 50 contacts. Step 3. Now, I want to enrich all of these leads or contacts, so I'm just going to select all contacts and then select Enrich. And after a few seconds, you'll see all the contacts will start enriching one by one. Immediately, you can see the key enriched data points being appended to each contact. Now, let's dive into the details and look at all the data points appended to. And quick note, RingLead is data provider agnostic, which means that you can use any additional data providers with RingLead's Capture tool to enrich your captured contacts. Right at the top, we could see previous positions Rachel held, which is great for recruiters. We could see we have a mobile phone number and all of her main points of contact along with verification statuses on her email addresses. We see her social accounts, basic information in regards to her job and department, which is critical for segmentation. And on the right side, we see all the enriched company information. The company address, the industry, the SIC code, company size, NAICS code, revenue, segmentation, etc. Alright, so now that we've enriched the contacts, we are going to check this captured list for duplicates against our CRM. So I'm just going to select all the contacts and select dedupe. And boom, we found a duplicate. I'm just going to open the contact up, scroll to the duplicates found section at the bottom, and click on Update Record on the. Now, when I click Update Record, immediately I can see the information that exists in my Salesforce, I could see the information that I captured, and I can see what that surviving record would look like based on the information that I selected to merge. Meaning right here, you could see that the email I captured is different than what exists in my Salesforce. So when I click on this captured email right here, you'll see the updated record reflect the selected value. And when I scroll down after selecting all of these values, I'll select Update in order to update the record in Salesforce with the new captured information. And now I want to export this list. So I'm just going to select all the contacts again and click Export. I'm going to export it as a CSV file, so then I can use our list import tool to automate the process of duplicate prevention for me when I import this list into our CRM. If you have any questions or would like a 14-day free trial of Capture, just go to ringlead.com, fill out a Contact Us form, and you'll be up and running with Capture in no time.